Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the phone, power it down, remove any case and screen protector, and inspect the home button area. Once done, clean the Touch ID sensor with a lint-free cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl. This removes oils that block readings. Make sure you are running the latest iOS and have 0.5 GB free for the process to write settings. Now restart and go to Settings, Touch ID and passcode to start re-enrolling fingerprints. Follow on-screen prompts carefully. You should delete old fingerprints first to avoid conflicts. Tap each saved print and remove it. Then choose Add a Fingerprint and enroll the finger by placing different parts of the fingertip on the Home button, lifting and resting slowly so the sensor captures edges and center. Make sure you enroll multiple fingers if you use both hands. Once enrolled, enable iPhone Unlock and Apple Pay where desired. Adjusting these toggles fixes permission-related failures in many cases. You finish by testing the fingerprint multiple times and then force restarting the phone to clear transient issues. If problems persist, go to Settings, General Reset all settings to avoid full erase while restoring defaults. Make sure you have your passcode. If failures continue, inspect the Home button flex cable or seek Apple service. Hardware wear is common on older iPhone 7 units. A final troubleshooting tip: enroll a fresh finger. If that succeeds, the issue was the original fingerprint cap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.